All right, here's our last set of chords. Let's do a set using flats. So let's start out with an A flat. So that's our root. This is what you'll see when I ask you to solve the question or to build these chords. We're going to do all these qualities all at once so we can build them off the major chord. So step number one, snowman. That one takes no brains at all, but boy is it helpful later on. Space, 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 space. All right, let's build our major chord. 4 steps up from A flat, starting here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's that note, and it's a C note. Hey, C natural. It's done. Now we go up 3 half steps from here to here. So 3 half steps up from C, 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So we get that note. Here are the 3 notes that we've got. We end up with that. That could be D sharp or E flat. And it's an E. So we've got to use the E name, E flat. There's your major chord. The hard work is done. All right, let's go through the qualities and lower the third, etc. Lower the third and fifth. But let's bring this major chord, write the major chord on each one of these. I want you thinking about what the major chord is and then altering either the 1 or the 2 notes. So to make it minor, we're going to lower the third, root, third, fifth. C, lowered down a half step, becomes C flat. To make it diminished, we're going to lower the third and the fifth. So C, the third, comes down from C to C flat. And now this E flat, we've got to lower that E flat. Hang on. So here's the E flat, and we're going to lower it down to here. And we're actually going to play that note? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. But we're not going to call it a D. If we have to lower an E flat, there's our E double flat. When you lower a note a half step, you're either going to cancel out a sharp to make a sharp natural, or make a natural, add a flat to it, and if you have a flat note, you still add a flat to it. So there's our E double flat. Here's E natural, this one's E flat, this one's E double flat. And that symbol's easy because it's just 2 flats. All right, now to make it augmented, we're going to raise the fifth. So our fifth, once again, was E flat. Now we're going to raise it up to here, and we're just going to call that E natural. So we're going to erase the flat, and there you go. You can leave it just like that, or you can insert a natural sign, and that will work great too. All right, one last chord. I want you to do this one yourself, and I'll do it. I'll follow a little bit behind you, but I want you to push ahead and then come back and check to see if you've matched what I've got. So we are going to do a B natural chord. So our B is the root, and so you'll see that, whoops. Good birds don't fly away, so there's the B. And okay, off you go. So we're doing B major, B minor, you go on ahead. Keep working. Yep, so by now you should be done with the easy part. Space, space, space. Draw your snowman. I'm going to go 4 steps up from B. So 1 half step, 2, 3, 4. End up on this note. That could be a G sharp or an A flat. So what have we got here? Oh, I didn't start on B, did I? Sorry. So B, we're going to go up 4 half steps from B. Forgot what chord we were doing there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be that note. That could be D sharp or E flat. It's a D. So we're going with D sharp. Now we go up 3 half steps from the D sharp. 1, 2, 3. Brings us to here. And that could be F sharp or G flat. What have we got? Good birds don't fly away. So it's an F. So we're going with the F sharp. Cool. Let's write that in all of our chords. Let's make these all, start all of these out major. And alter them, okay, to make it minor. Lower the third. D sharp becomes D natural. So you could leave it plain like that, or you could write in the symbol for natural. To make it diminished, we're going to lower everything, lower the third and lower the fifth, but you don't lower the root. The root is given. All right, so D natural becomes, D sharp becomes D natural, and F sharp, lower that one down. Here's F sharp, come on down here, and that's F natural. So it'll look like that. And you can also put the natural sign in front of it. Okay, now a special one here, augmented, B augmented, B augmented. No, we're going to raise the fifth. So F sharp, if we raise it up to here, boy, that sure looks like a G to me. If it looks like a G and sounds like a G, it's probably a duck. But no, if we've got the F name here, we have to stick with that F name. So how could this possibly be an F note? Hey, we had double flats. We also have double sharps. So F, F sharp, F double sharp. Remember, we're raising this note up 1 half step, and it remains an F note. So we are going to use ye olde double sharp. And that symbol looks like an X. And the intersection of that X needs to be on the line for a line note, or on a space, if it was a space note. Just out of the blue, if we had a space note here that needed a double sharp, it would look like that. And we went over that on one of the recent lectures. But now you get to see it in action. Here it is. Here's how we're gonna be doing this. So great job sticking with me all the way through this. And Nosmo, thanks for coming out and breaking into my house and eating my wife's snacks and coming to this lecture. Oh, by the way, I've got to go. There's a there's a t-shirt sale going on at Kmart, so I've got to get to that. I'll let you deal with your chords. I'm going to go. Oh, no, Mr. Mason, I'm not ready. I'm too young to die. Don't leave me here. No, don't leave me here.